Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. It's a beautiful fall morning here at Red Top Mountain State Park. I'm starving. We're fixing to cook up some breakfast. Y'all stay tuned. So we got our homemade table out for the camp grill again, and it's a little unlevel because this fire pit is kind of sunk. I think somebody pushed down on it too hard here, so it's tilting. So all I did was stick a couple pine cones in there between the grill and the plate to make it more level. So our pan's set level, and up here I got the camp made collapsible charcoal chimney, and I just pulled a few coals off the campfire here. I got restarted this morning. I would just cook on this fire, but we're kind of limited on what kind of firewood we have, and we got some pine there. I don't want to get my pans all sooted up from that pine. And about all we got left is big stuff right now. We burned this pretty hard last night, but we'll keep it going if we can, and we'll get this ready for our cast iron skillets. So another thing is I use this stainless steel bus pan. I set that in the top of my cooler to keep stuff up out of the ice and the water. So what's on the menu? That's eggs we brought from home right there from our chickens. Some more of that Carroll sausage and meats. There's some mild breakfast links. Can't wait to chop into those. And here I have some of their homemade applewood smoked bacon. I just cut the slices in half to make it easier to go in the skillet. And we used our little folding cutting board with the knife that comes inside. And we got some regular seasonings, and then we got, of course, some Seminole swamp seasoning. Okay, our charcoals are lit, so I'm going to go ahead and start arranging them. I want a fairly hot fire on one skillet for the bacon. So we're going to put a good ring of those there. And then we're going to use the 4-in-1 over here for our new cast iron. We're going to put the spider on that other one over there. Put these aside because we need some more. It's the good old spider skillet from a long time ago. Let me grab that 4-in-1 and we'll get set up on the other pile. I'm just going to come in with our 4-in-1 right here. Spread out evenly. Then we can arrange our coals a little better. Go on with our other skillet. We got just enough room on there for both skillets. So now that our meat's done, we got two zones. We got a hot zone we can go straight in on the skillet with, and we got a cooler zone up on the 4-in-1 in case you start going a little too hard. And then use the back of your shell to kind of wrangle your yolks together and make it much easier when it's time to turn them. And the shell will never break your yolk if you use the round part. Like that. Stays right there. It's doing pretty good right here right now, so we'll leave it on this side. Camp toast, a little bit of bacon grease at the bottom of your pan. Just lay it right in that little layer of bacon grease. When you finish each one, put a little more bacon grease back in there. Repeat the process. So, you know, beautiful morning here camping. You guys are always asking us to taste our food. I don't know why. Just something about a great breakfast cooked right out here on the camp on some good charcoal. Like I said, we would have did it on wood, but we didn't have the right kind of wood. Let's try some eggs. So if you're running to McDonald's for Egg McMuffin when you're camping, give this a try. You'll never go back. If you like what we're doing, please hit that like button right down there. To subscribe to our channel, you can do it right there. For another great Backwoods Gourmet video, it's going to be right over there. And for a whole playlist of Dutch oven and cast iron cooking, it's going to be right over there. We'll see you next time.